Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over high efficiency washers and the soap that you should be using for them. If you have a high efficiency unit and you're not using high efficiency soap, that unit cannot dissipate the amount of bubbles that you would use on a regular soap. So what I mean by that is high efficiency soap is more concentrated and these units take less water to break down that soap. Now if we compare to another unit, let's say like this one, this might fill up to 15 gallons. It's not high efficiency. It breaks down the bubbles a lot faster. When you use a high efficiency unit and non-high efficiency soap, it causes more soap buildup because it can't break down that highly concentrated product. And what that causes can cause issues on the pump, things with your unit along those lines. It just builds up a lot of soap scum, stuff like that. If you're not sure if you have a high efficiency unit, like right here on this GE, on our soap dispenser, it says it right here. Use high efficiency detergent only, and that's for that reason. Now other units might have it on the front, like if we go over to this LG right here, that's what you're looking for, a little HE. HE, high efficiency. Now if you go into your supermarket and you're shopping for detergents, you should see that same label on there, just HE, and that will help your unit, that'll help your unit last a little bit longer by using the correct soap. Then you won't get any error codes, parts going out because of soap buildup and stuff like that. It's just using the right product for your investment that you just purchased, or for your appliance that you just purchased. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week for more information. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.